Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a tutorial demonstrating how to make a webcam recording using two different kinds of tools, Time Player and Mailvu. Now the first question you might want to ask is, what is a webcam recording? Well, what you're seeing right now is a screen camera recording, meaning you are simply viewing my computer screen. A web camera recording is different in that what you view is a picture of my face talking to you. That becomes a web camera recording. In other words, the web camera is actually taking a live video of my speaking to you. Now, one question you may ask is, why would a Jewish educator want to use a web camera recording tool, such as Time Player or Mailvu? And the answer is, sometimes when students are not in school for whatever reason, or a faculty member cannot attend a school function, you might want to share a summary or homework with that student or faculty member. Or if you have a student with special needs, you might very well want to provide additional instruction for him or her. Webcam recordings come in handy when you want to also provide additional information, school policy information, instructional information to students, parents, staff, etc. So there is a place for web camera, web tools in your repertoire of skills. So with that in mind, let's talk about these two tools, Time Player and Mailvu. In order to use Mailvu, Time Player, you will have to download it by clicking on this link. Let me show you what will happen when you click on the link. You will get a variety of different downloads. If you have a Windows computer, you click here. If you have a Mac computer, you click here, and you have lots of other choices. So that's how you go and get to downloading the Time Player. Now let me show you how Time Player works as a web recording tool. So let me click on my Time Player. Now I realize you're unable to see the top of the menu, but when you install Time Player, you will go to the File menu and you'll click on Make a New Movie Recording. A new movie recording is a webcam recording. You also have choices to create audio recordings or screen recordings, but we're just going to make a new movie or webcam recording. You click on that, and you see that this is a webcam recording. If you indeed want to record it, you see what this button is, this red button is, you just click on it. And what this simply does is it records your talking into the camera. When you're finished, you just click here, and that's how it works. When you want to save it, you simply go to the File menu, which I understand you cannot see, but there is a File menu, and you click Export, and you simply name it. We'll call this Test of Time Player as a web camera recording tool. So that now is, then you export it, and it's being exported onto your computer. And if you want to see how that works, you just click on it. And what this simply does is it records your talking into the camera. All right, so what we have shown you is how to use Time Player. And now we're going to demonstrate how to use Mailvu. Okay, what you do is you click on to this link. That'll take you to Mailvu. And I've already set that up. So here we are on Mailvu. And what you'll be asked to do is to allow Adobe Flash Player to allow your web camera to work. If you don't have Adobe Flash Player, please download it. You know how to download that simply by going to any web browser, writing in the address bar to download Adobe Flash Player, and then you download it on your computer. So I'm going to allow this to occur. This will eventually show a screen. See the screen over here of me? If you want to record, you simply hit record. So right now I'm recording this web recording, and I'll just reinforce the fact that you may want to use this for students who miss class, or share with fellow teachers. You may want to share policy with parents. There are many, many ways to do this. You can flip the classroom and give homework assignments through the use of a webcam recording. When you're finished, you hit stop. And if you'd like to hear what it sounds, to be sure you like it, you just click on play. So right now I'm recording this web recording. Okay, I'm going to stop. If you want to send this to your students or your faculty, you click here, and you simply click here and you write their email address and send a message to them, and they will receive it. Or if you want to share this as a URL, you simply URL or address, you click here, and then you copy this URL or address here, right? The link has been copied, and if you want to see if that actually works, we'll open up a new tab and we'll place the link or URL here, and your students will be able to see or hear. So right now I'm recording this web recording. So what have we done? We have talked about the importance of having facility for using web camera recording tools, and we demonstrated two web camera recording tools, namely Time Player and Mailvu. And right over here I'll be sharing the link for this particular screen recording on, or tutorial on how to use Time Player and Mailvu. Thank you so very much.